In this video, we will show you how to use the Sinocare Glucometer to check your blood sugar levels. The Sinocare Glucometer is a user-friendly device that provides accurate and reliable results in just a few seconds. Whether you have diabetes or you're monitoring your blood sugar for other health reasons, this glucometer is an essential tool. The first step to using the Sinocare Glucometer is to unbox the device and set it up. Open the box and carefully take out the glucometer, lancet pen, test strips, and user manual. Ensure that you have all the necessary components before proceeding. Next, insert the lancet into the lancet pen according to the instructions in the user manual. Before checking your blood sugar levels, it's important to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. Dry them properly to ensure the accuracy of the test. Then, insert a test strip into the glucometer following the specific instructions for the Sinocare model you have. The device will turn on automatically, indicating that it's ready for use. Once the glucometer is ready, you can prick the side of your fingertip with the lancet pen. Squeeze your finger gently to get a small drop of blood. Carefully place the blood droplet onto the designated area of the test strip. Make sure to avoid touching the strip with your finger as it could affect the accuracy of the results. After applying the blood sample, the Sinocare Glucometer will start analyzing it. Wait for a few seconds, and the device will display your blood sugar level on the screen. Take note of the result and make any necessary adjustments to your medication or lifestyle as advised by your healthcare professional. Once you have finished using the Sinocare Glucometer, carefully remove the used test strip from the device. Dispose of it according to the proper guidelines for biohazardous waste. Clean the glucometer and lancet pen as recommended in the user manual. Store all the components in a safe and dry place for future use. In conclusion, the Sinocare Glucometer is a reliable and easy-to-use device for monitoring your blood sugar levels. By following the simple steps we've shown you in this video, you can accurately check your blood sugar in the comfort of your own home. Remember to consult with your healthcare professional for guidance on managing your diabetes or any other health conditions.